Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how to crochet a headband. I crochet the headband for head size 52 or 54 centimeters. Of course you can adjust this headband for any size. Today I'm using one ball of yarn. There are 135 meters in 50 grams. And in this video I'm using a crochet hook number 4. You'll start with the first stitch and then make chain stitches. The length of stitches equals the width of the headband. The number of stitches should be even. The width of my headband is 10 centimeters. I crochet 20 stitches. So I crochet 20 stitches. Then we'll make one extra stitch and insert your hook into the second stitch and make a slip stitch. Now yarn over, go into the next stitch and work a half double crochet. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch, then make a half double crochet in the next stitch. This is all you should do all the way along till you reach your last stitch. Go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, a slip stitch. Then make a half double crochet in the next stitch. Finish this row yourself. At the end of the row, you have to make a half double crochet. Then we'll make one stitch and turn your work around. Into the first stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. This is all you should do all the way along till you reach your last stitch. And again, in the next stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. You'll start every row with a slip stitch and finish off with a half double crochet. Following rows will be repeated through your whole pattern. Make one stitch and turn your work around. Into the first stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. And again, into the next stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, a half double crochet. As you can see, it's very easy. I finished this row. Just keep repeating this row over and over again. The length of the headband equals head size minus 2 or 3 centimeters. So repeat until you reach the desired length for your head size. I crochet this rectangular. Then you have to grab the left side and the right side. Now we can sew the both sides together with a needle or slip stitches. I'll sew both sides with the help of slip stitches. Pull out your yarn. Make one stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch of both sides and make a slip stitch. Make slip stitches till reach your last stitch of the row. Make one stitch at the end of the row and cut your yarn. Our super easy headband is almost ready. Cut your yarn and we're done. I really love this pattern. Hope you too. Leave your comments what else can be crocheted using this pattern. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.